Good morning, students. Continuing our chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks. Students, in the last module, we have seen one of the solid shapes. Continuing with this, we will learn in this module 5 common solid shapes. So, before learning these solid shapes, first of all, we should know what do you mean by solid shapes. So the object that occupies space are called solid shapes. 5 common solid shapes you can see in this slide. You can see it very clearly. These shapes, they are occupying certain space. So the object that occupies space are called solid shapes. Next, some examples of solid shapes. You know it. Cone, second one cuboid, then third one sphere, fourth one cylinder, and last is cube. You have learned something in class 3. In this slide, in this class, you have to learn very well that how many faces, edges and vertices are there in each solid shapes. So before learning each shape, first of all, we should know what do you mean by faces, vertices and edges. So their surfaces are called faces. Flat surfaces are called faces. Then faces meet at edges and edges meet at vertices. So how many faces you can see in this slide? 2 faces you can see very well. Then faces meet at edges. How many edges you can see? 3, 7. 7 edges you can see. And how many vertices you can see? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 vertices you can see. Now, first shape is cube. A cube has 6 faces which are equal squares, 12 equal edges and 8 vertices. This you know very clearly. But in this module, you can see where are the 6 faces, where are 12 equal edges and where are 8 vertices. So here you can see 6 faces and all the faces are equal squares. 12 equal edges and 8 vertices we will see afterwards. Here you can see equal squares. This cube has 6 faces. All the 6 faces you can see very clearly. Then next, 12 equal edges. You can count number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top side, 5, 6, 7, 8 sideways and 9, 10, 11, 12 at the bottom side. So there are total 12 edges. Next you can see vertices. How many vertices are there in a cube? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top side, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the bottom side. So total there are 8 vertices. So in a cube there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Next we will see the cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces where opposite faces are equal, 12 edges and 8 vertices. In the cube there are 6 equal square faces. In the cuboid there are 6 rectangular faces. Now you can check here 6 rectangular faces and opposite faces are equal. 6 faces you can see and all faces they are rectangular in shape. In this slide you can see opposite faces are equal. So 3 types of faces are there and opposite faces are equal. You can see it very clearly in this slide. So in a cuboid there are 6 rectangular faces where opposite faces are equal. Next you can see 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top side, then 5, 6, 7, 8 at the sidewise, then 9, 10, 11, 12 at the bottom. 12 edges you can see in the cuboid and 8 vertices you can see in the cuboid. So total 8 vertices you can check, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top side and 5, 6, 7, 8 at the bottom side. So a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces where opposite faces are equal. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Clear? I hope it is very clear to you. Next you can see cylinder. अब cylinder में how many faces are there? 3 faces. 2 of them are flat and the third one is curved. I will show you in the next slide where are the 2 flat faces and where is the curved face. Next you can see this. 2 of them are flat faces and the third one is curved. Very clearly you can see in this slide. You can see 2 flat surface and 1 curved surface. So in all a cylinder has 3 faces, or among 3, 2 of them are flat and the third one is curved. Now how many edges and how many vertices? The flat surface meet at the curved surface at the circular edges. So how many edges? 2 edges. And you can see any vertex is there? No. So a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and vertices, 0 vertex. Next you can see cone. A cone has 2 faces. Look at the 2 faces. One is flat and circular and second one is curved. So cone has 2 faces. One of them is flat and circular while the other one is curved. So the cone has 2 faces. One is circular and one is curved. Now you can see cone has 1 circular edge at the bottom side and it has 1 vertex at the topmost side. So cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Next, sphere. You can see the solid shape, that is sphere. Now sphere has neither any edges nor vertices. It has only 1 curved surface. Sphere में सिर्फ एक surface होता है, 1 curved surface. It neither has any edges nor it has any vertices. You can check here, 1 curved surface. No vertices you can see or no edges you can see. So student, in this module you have learned 5 solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. You have to make a table in your notebook and you have to write down how many faces, edges and vertices are there in each shape. In the one side you write the shapes and on the next side you can write faces, edges and vertices. For example, in the first you have to write cube, faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Then cuboid, faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Cylinder, faces 3, edges 2, vertices 0. Then cone, 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex. Then sphere, 1 face, 0 edges and 0 vertex. In this way you have to write down in your notebook and learn it very properly. We will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye.